Hey guys, welcome to Rasna package. Today we come with a different gadget, a really interesting device. So today we're going to unbox this Voco. This is the product, work companion who come with this product, and also it is really helpful during this pandemic time. Before unboxing this device, if you still not subscribe Rasna Packet channel, please subscribe the Rasna Packet channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start it. Okay. இந்த கம்பெனி இந்த ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான டிவைஸை இந்த பேண்டமிக், இந்த கொரோனா டைமில் இருக்கிற பேண்டமிக் டைமில் இந்த டிவைஸை இன்வென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இதை அவங்க லான்ச் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அதை பற்றி தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். Work companion is located in Gurgaon. It's completely based on HRMS software, people management software, you can say. Very interesting software features they have. You can log into www.voco.co.in. You can find this company profile, and they have got a lot. This is a biometric attendance monitoring system. Also it's detect your body temperature, and also it's detect whether you're wearing mask or not. It can able to do this. Wow, crazy stuff. Yeah, really crazy. So I think who commissioned this product? I don't know. Crazy guy who working in this company to commission this product. I think so. It's me. Oh, it's me. Yeah, it's me. It's our product, Work Companion. We're going to launch this biometric facial recognition biometric system. Yeah, look at this. So here are the power cables. This is the power input cable and your relay switch. Nice metallic finishing. Look at, hang it. You can keep it like this. So now let's see. Oh, this is the charging adapter. I think so. You can see to the settings. Now you can see my face. So this is IR camera. This is RGB camera. Change the night visions, and you can do the settings, Wi-Fi, your mode. So here if you want to off your sound settings is there, decrease the sound, increase the sounds, and this is your temperature settings.
Matching success. Matching success.
Within a blink.
Matching success. Matching success. Matching success. Matching success. Welcome.
So guys, there is a lot of wire. So there is a LAN cable. You can connect this device with your existing HRMS software, or if you don't have HRMS software, please go for Work Companion. They have a super rocking model of HRMS software, and with this device they can able to integrate easily. So yeah, you should try to visit Work Companion voco.co.in, and you can see the features what are they have, like auto attendance features, like just you enter into the office, you automatically check in, and if you go out from the office, you will automatically check out without touching any button or showing the face, nothing. The attendance system is super rocking. With this device, it will be double boosted. And there is a settings you can turn on and off the mask detection, because in the future, after the pandemic also, this one will really works for your office and home. Yeah, so guys, very smart device. Try to get this, and I list the contact details below my description about Work Companion and about this device. Okay, try to purchase as soon. Yep. See you in next video with different location in different gadgets. Until then, signing out. Bye bye. Bye.